Okay, now I'm going to be moving on to addition. So we used these today to model with base 10 blocks, but I'm going to be drawing it up on the board. That way you can see it a little bit better. But when I'm calling it out, I want you to know what it is. So this is our hundreds, and we call it a flat, just because it's a flat piece. But it's 10 tens, so it gives me 100. Then I have these. This is what we call our rod. So this is just a 10, and I call it a rod. Then I have my ones, and we just call it a little cube. So flat for 100, rod for 10, cube for 1. Okay, so for my first problem, I'm going to do one that we did today, and we did 42 divided by 3. So right now we are only working with these base 10 blocks or drawing it out because they haven't really done a lot of division yet, so we really need to break it apart so they're understanding it. So first what I'm going to ask them is, how many groups am I going to have? And they're going to tell me 3 because I'm splitting this number into 3 groups. So up here on the board, I draw 3 squares so they know I'm splitting it into 3 groups. Okay? Now, I have 42. That would be 4 tens, which again is my rod, so I draw it up here so they know. I have 1 rod, 2 rod, 3 rod, 4 rod. Right there is my 4 tens. Then I have 1, 2 cubes. Okay, so now I ask them, right off the bat, what can I split into these 3? Is there something that I have 3 or maybe more of? And they would tell me I have 3 rods. So I'm going to put my 3 rods, 1 in each group. 1 rod, 2 rod, 3 rod. Now, since I've already used this, I make sure that they cross it out. Ooh. That they cross it out so they know it's gone. I've already used it, so there's nothing there for me anymore. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. I only have a 10, and I have 2 ones. So right now I have nothing that I can put in here yet. So I've got to take this rod away, and I've got to cash it in for 10 cubes. So I'm going to cover this up, and I'm going to cash it in for my 1 cubes now. Okay, so I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now all my 10s are gone, and I've only got 1s. So I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now there's 2 different ways that they can do this. They can take 3 away at a time and go 1, 2, 3, and then cross them out. Or I can think in my head, I have 3 groups. 3 times a number is going to give me 12. If I know my multiplication facts, I know it's going to be 4. Okay, well, let's check and make sure that's right. So I'm going to add them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to cross them out over here. There's my 4. It's gone. I'm going to do another 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Cross that out as well. I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So I add it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I cross those out. They're gone. I've used everything that I need. In my group, I asked them, how much is in this group? I have 1 rod, which is 10. Now I'm going to count my 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 1 10, 4 1s. Put it together. How much do I have? They're going to tell me 14. In this group, how much do I have? 1 rod, 4 1s. Same as that one, so I know it's 14. Again, what's in this one? 1 rod, 4 1s. 14. I see I have the same answer in each box, so I know that 42 divided by 3 is 14. Okay, I know this can be a little bit confusing, so I'm going to go ahead and do one more. Our next one that we're going to do is 68 divided by 4. So again, I'm going to ask them, how many groups am I going to have? And they're going to tell me 4. I'm going to do circles this time, see if that's a little bit better. There we go. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to split this up so I can see how much I have. I have 6 tens, so that means that I need 6 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 8 ones. I'm going to go ahead and draw those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to ask them, okay, is there anything that I can go ahead and split into my boxes that I have 4 of? Or maybe I have more than 4. First I try to get them to look at the ones and see that we have 8. So that means, okay, I know 4 times 2 gives me 8. So I can add 2 to each one of my circles. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I just use all these. So now I cross them out. Now, is there anything else that I have 4 of that I can maybe go ahead and split up? Okay, I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rods. So I'm going to draw that. 1, that one's gone. 2, that one's gone. 3, that one's gone. 4, that one's gone. Now, I have 2 tens left. I'm going to ask them, how much is 2 tens? And they're going to tell me it's 20. I'm going to ask them, okay, I have 4 grapes. So that means 4 times the number equals 20. Who knows it? And they're going to tell me 5. That way I don't always have to split these up. If I know my multiplication facts, I don't have to split it up. But maybe if I don't, I need to. That's why I'll have a scratch piece of paper to kind of work it out. But that lets me know that I can put 5 ones. In each. Okay, now I've got both my 20s gone. I'm going to ask them, how much is in here? I have 1 rod and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So how much is in here? They're going to tell me 17. How much is in here? Which I would do a better job drawing this for them to where they can really see my cubes versus my rods. But they're going to tell me 17. And here again, what's in here? 17. Okay, what's in here? 17. So if I ask you what 68 divided by 4 is, what is it? 17. Alright, if y'all have any questions, feel free to message me. And we are doing this all throughout the week, so they really haven't learned much. Today was our very first day of learning it, but we will continue to learn this all throughout the week.